what do these gentlemen have in common? There's James Bond, there's Captain Kirk, there's Michael Knight, and there's the late great comedy king Dorothy. Here's an idea. James Bond was the first user of the first smart car. He also had the first smart watch, which is a telex watch. It sends telegrams. So Michael Knight, for those who are in their mid-30s, you would know Knight Rider. A show about a smart car and a guy with a really nice watch who can talk to his car. Captain Kirk, of course, used the cell phone before as a communicator, and the first PDA, medical tricorder, and what seems to be the predecessor of FaceTime. And Dolphy had a movie about a spy. But he basically wanted everyone, but everyone that's smart. So what they have are their certified early adopters of today's technology. Even if it's fictional, the technology that they were using in fiction is what we have right now. So the 1990s, for those who still remember or were part of that generation, that was the start of ATM machines. You had to go to the computer room or the server room. Mobile phones were the size of shoe boxes, and it was the era of out-of-down, ABA selects. So the device is the destination. You have to go to the device. People didn't trust machines, but I remember my first ATM card. When I first withdrew money from the first few times I withdrew money from my ATM card, I was counting it. And then there was a long line on ATM machines because people didn't trust that these machines would give you the right amount of money. And now you see people, we all trust machines. Technology was not widely available. It was only given to a select few. Then we go to the 2000s. Ayan na. I think everybody knows we've all lived and are continuing to live in this era. That's the mobility era. From mobile phones, desktop computers became laptops, gaming consoles became portable gaming consoles. Of course, it's the era of the smartphone. The device now goes with us. It's still with us. Machines have become a part of everyday life, and technology has now become widely accessible and available to a few. Not just to a few, but to everyone. Which brings us to where we are now. It's the Internet of Things. Now everything can be done from the cloud. We can connect to our houses. We have the rise of high-rise condominiums, wherein you can connect to your house, control your air conditioning. Businesses have have finally embraced enterprise mobility through business applications. Even businesses and all of us have now lived on social networking. Transactions are now cashless. It's the age of devices. More devices are connected to each other than people to each other. Businesses have fully embraced internet and social networking, bringing your business towards people who you have not even seen. Foot traffic is now not the main goal of your business. You can connect to your consumers even without seeing them. And commerce and trade are now run on the internet. So where does this place us? So we're in the Internet of Things. And you, my dear colleagues, software engineers, you're shaping this. You're shaping the IoT, which brings us to the Internet of Everything. It's the age when everything will be connected. Wearable technology will include healthcare solutions. The interconnection of IoT solutions, the very solutions that you are developing today, will all be working with each other and with each other. Connected cities and transport. Connected cities will be connected. If you want to go to China, you can go check the air quality even while you're here. If you want to go to Quezon City, we see the start of connection now. For those who drove or took the cab or commuted, if you used an app, that's the start of IoT and IoT. That commerce and trade will now fully run on the internet. Everything will be connected. So we started with people, people to people, or P2P, peer-to-peer to your in your language. We're in the age of the right here, right now customer. I want my information right now. It's more than multitasking. It's a multiple set of simultaneous activities. So data is gathered and streamed over the internet. Of course, processing has transcended from just raw data, bits and pieces of data, to higher level of information. And then we have the things that we have, the devices that connect. Anytime, of course, I know all of you know this, anytime things and data will connect to each other, that's machine to machine. People to machine becomes when people connect to these. But what happens when we put a process around all these things? It becomes the internet of everything according to our partner system. Governs our homes, our personal lives, mobile business for us, and also our enterprise business. Businesses need you now more than ever. Software developers, software companies, like I said, have embraced technology, have embraced the internet, and your roles are greater now than ever before. To ever go forward, that's a secret for all of us. This is don't just disrupt the market. We need to own it and improve it in whatever industry you are in. Not just disrupting the market, but improving it, being an agent of change. In the words of Steve Jobs, let's go invent tomorrow instead of worrying about